Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from you was side. Everyone is bothered about America, tariffs, NATO, this and that. How America is a superpower, or why America became a superpower, why everybody is attracted towards America. Let us learn about. Once upon a time, it was a great thing to have some of our relatives in America. Parents used to have they used to feel proud to tell that their children are in America. So America was a dream country to the whole world. Yes, America was a dream country. How it became a dream country, or how it became a superpower, why we are calling it a superpower, an elder brother, that I am going to talk now. First, it was considered to be a financial power, or financial system was under its control, because dollar was considered as a standard thing to buy or sell. Anything in the international market, when you buy or sell, dollar used to be used. That is why global trade was undertaken with the dollar. So financial control of the world was with America. And it also, with the help of the dollar, world banking was also integrated, or it was taken into its control. That is the first reason. Financial system or financial power. Next, technology. Microsoft, Facebook, internet, everything. I think after 2010 and all, it became a superpower. Even as I told you, though our Indians went there, they went for service, serve America. They never thought of creating anything. They were happy with the service. So, as I told you, it was a super power, financial power. All international trade came under its control because of dollars. It can be World Bank, IMF, whatever it is. Then technology, as I told you, let it be Microsoft, Facebook, internet, everything. So because of all these reasons, it became a world power. Next, why people are attracted? Because it was a clean city, clean place. Safety was there. I am using the word was. Safety was there. And everything was nice. Population was less, not populated. So clean, the things were in abundance. That is why people were attracted towards America. So it was everybody's dream to go there because you will be able to get a good job. Good job means they will be paid well. So it was a dream. Because of all these things, America became a super power. And as I had told you in my previous videos, though the World War took place, America was not affected because it was not even fought on its soil. And since it was a Newfoundland, how you are knowing, 13 colonies went from England, and it was a fertile land, abundant sunshine, abundant water, new land. So everything was in abundance there. So it was considered as a heaven. So naturally even America felt that I am the world power. But things won't remain the same. Change is permanent, and that is the fact. Change is permanent. So now even other countries, including India, is going to become a natural world leader. It may take the place. It may take a few years. We don't know, because in India you are knowing digital payment and everything. You can see even AI. So India may become the superpower, or it might be one among the top emerging nations. So we can't consider anyone that you will be there only, you will be down only, we are always great. Nothing. As we individuals can't, in the same way countries also can't. Because the new countries are emerging, and you are knowing the knowledge is there nowadays, open knowledge, everything has become open. So the things may change, I am telling you. So nobody can force, nobody in the sense no country can force anyone. You should listen to me, you should buy from here only, you should act according to me. No. Nowadays nobody is anybody's boss. Each and every country has got its own independence. So don't consider anyone. You are down, you are not knowing anything. So showing disrespect to others, considering others you are nowhere. No country should do that. Because we don't know what may become in future, what may happen in future. That is why it is the day where all of us are equal. Let it be America, India, China, Russia, Japan, or any other country. So we can't say that I am superior. No, everyone has got the right. They will work, they will prove themselves. So all of us are having the right and ability to prove our own selves. So don't consider anyone that you are nowhere, we are the leaders, you have to behave according to us, what we tell us. No. Don't call anyone dead economy. Who knows, a day may come, you yourself may become the dead economy. So we should not blame anyone and consider ourselves as the great. because knowledge is open to all. That is why I think we should respect each one. And it is said that give respect, take respect. Have a good day.